Here are 3 news items from the world of the crypto industry. Bitcoin may soon become part of Hong Kong's financial reserves. Investors sold Ethereum worth $2.4 billion. The developer of the new meme coin Nairo turned $522 into $2.8 million. First news. Bitcoin may soon become part of Hong Kong's financial reserves. Hong Kong Legislative Council member Johnny Ing was inspired by Donald Trump's example. Now Ing is considering adding Bitcoin to the city's financial reserves. During a speech at the Bitcoin 2024 crypto conference, Donald Trump said he would create a strategic Bitcoin reserve in the US if he becomes president. Apparently, Johnny Ing liked the idea very much, and he now intends to implement it in Hong Kong. In addition to Trump's words, the Hong Kong official noted the merits of Bitcoin. According to Johnny Ing, BTC is gaining global recognition and is more often perceived as digital gold. However, Ing emphasizes that including cryptocurrency in the region's financial reserves must strictly comply with the law. I will discuss the possibility and prospects of including Bitcoin in the financial reserves with various stakeholders in Hong Kong and report on the situation in due time, promised the official. Ing is interested not only in crypto but also in other progressive technologies. Recently, he also acknowledged the growing role of Web3 in the globalization process. According to him, blockchain technology has already changed finance, bringing innovations and new use cases. Hong Kong must accelerate the development of the Web3 ecosystem. The city is now at the forefront of the region in terms of regulatory compliance and industry development. I believe the Hong Kong government will gradually, consistently, and responsibly open the market, said the official. Hong Kong has long been trying to establish itself as a crypto hub. As part of these efforts, the region launched spot ETF trading on the leading digital assets market at the end of April. However, at the same time, the local government is actively regulating the industry. In February, it introduced a new requirement for crypto companies. As a result, 2 exchanges, KuCoin and Gate.io, could not stay in the region. Recently, BTC has increasingly been included in the reserves of governments of different countries and large corporations. They use cryptocurrency as a means of diversification and protection against inflation. For example, the giant MicroStrategy is known for its strategic Bitcoin purchases. Second news. Investors sold Ethereum worth $2.4 billion. Ethereum faces a bearish sentiment from a key group of investors who typically served as a reliable support for the asset. The actions of this cohort of holders have led to a drop in the ETH price despite the long-awaited launch of spot ETFs on the US market. The recent Ethereum price drop is due to the overall bearish sentiment in the market and a more muted reaction to the spot ETF launch than expected. The situation is exacerbated by long-term and medium-term holders who are selling off ETH. These investors usually help maintain price stability, but they are actively locking in profits now. According to Glassnode data, they sold about 740,000 ETH worth $2.4 billion over the past 7 days. These coins last moved between 6 and 24 months ago. Nevertheless, retail investors remain more optimistic. This is indicated by the net unrealized profit/loss indicator, which is currently in the optimism zone. Ethereum confidently holds above the 23.6% Fibonacci line, known as bear market support. The most likely event will be consolidation above the 38.2% level, which coincides with the $3,304 mark. However, if medium and long-term holders continue to sell ETH, the altcoin price may drop below $3,118, disproving the neutral bullish thesis. Third news. The developer of the new meme coin Nairo turned $522 into $2.8 million. A new meme coin associated with the new pet of Kabosu, the dog that inspired Dogecoin, appeared on Solana. Insiders are already making millions of dollars from the coin. Lucan Chain analysts reported on the developer of the Nairo meme coin, who turned $522 into $2.8 million. When deploying the meme coin, he bought 97.5 million tokens for 3 Sol, $552. Then the user sold 68 million Nairo for 15,511 Sol, making a profit of $2.85 million. According to LukinChain, the developer also sent 10 million Nairo to a dead wallet. He has 19.5 million coins left, meaning the user's unrealized profit is estimated at $1.8 million. A well-known Chinese crypto enthusiast nicknamed AI&X discovered another lucky individual who managed to earn $1.93 million on the new meme coin. The trader's yield was 2,397%. A minute after the token launch, the trader bought 70.8 million Nairo, spending 15,089 Sol. The average purchase price was $0.00003914. Within 6 hours, the users sold all the tokens in several batches. When the token's capitalization soared to $79 million, he bought another 983,500 coins for 420.75 SOL. The token's price at that time reached $0.07916. An hour later, the trader sold all Nairo and eventually locked in a profit of $1.93 million. According to AI, this case is not insider trading. The trader traded various meme coins. Scammers also took advantage of Nairo's popularity. A well-known crypto enthusiast nicknamed AI&X warned users that scammers created a token with the same name, Nairo, on Ethereum, and it is a scam. According to him, the Nairo creators on Ethereum deployed a fraudulent scheme known as Honeypot. The essence of this scheme is that scammers create an attractive project picture and promise huge profits. However, when users invest in this project, its founders quickly disappear with the money. It bypasses most automatic scanning tests, but the owner constantly sends commands to the smart contract automated market maker with specific wallet addresses, which changes the transfer function, likely blocking any new buyer's transactions, explained Woz. The real Nairo is a new meme coin on the Solana blockchain created in honor of the dog with the same name. The Shiba Inu pet was adopted by the former owners of Kabosu, who served as the Dogecoin prototype. Kabosu passed away in May this year. The dog suffered from a serious illness diagnosed in December 2022. According to DX Screener, Nairo is currently trading at $0.04109. Over the past day, the meme coin's price has dropped by 33%. The asset's capitalization now stands at $41.1 million.